Let's look at problem solving using Venn diagrams. Here's an example. I surveyed 50 people. I know some stuff about those 50 people, and the ultimate question is how many of them eat mints? Well, I see two types of people in my survey here, the ones who chew gum and the ones who eat mints. So let's make a Venn diagram. My universe, my whole universe, is these 50 people. I don't care about anything else in the entire universe except for these 50 people in my survey. I have two kinds of people. I have gum chewers, so I'm going to make a circle for those. And I have mint eaters, so I'm going to make a circle for those. It's a good idea if you can, if you have the information to do it, to start in the middle, in the intersection. Well, here's the magic word and. I have 11 people who chew gum and eat mints both. Those are the 11 that belong in the intersection. So I have 11 people in that category. I also know I have 18 who chew gum. That doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to put 18 people out here. Because here's the thing, here's my gum chewers circle, circle G here. It already has people in it. There's already 11 people in the gum chewing circle. I need 18 total, which means in order to have 18 people total in this circle, I don't need 18 more. I only need 7 more. So there's my other 7 people, and now I have 18 gum chewing people total. Another thing that we know is there are 12 people who don't do either of these things, so they belong on the outside. They're not in the gum chewers or the mint eaters, so they're out here. The question is how many people eat mints? Well, people who eat mints are in the mint circle here, but I don't know how. I have 11 people in there so far, but I'm also missing some people, so we got to do a little more work. I know that there were 50 people total surveyed. So far in my diagram, I have 12 on the outside, 7 that only chew gum, and 11 in the middle for a total of, let's see, 30. There's 30 people in my diagram, but the thing is there's 50 people in my universe. So if I take the 50 people that should be in there all together and subtract the 30 who are already in there, I get 20, and they must go in the empty spot here, 20 people. Now to answer the question, how many people eat mints? Well, those are the people in the mint circle, and now that everything's filled in, we can see there's 20 plus 11, 31 people total who eat mints. Let's look at another example. This time we're looking at people who go to casinos. There aren't any of those that live around here, right? This time my universe has 80 people in it, and we have people who go to casinos for gambling, to eat, and to go to the movies. So it looks like I'm going to need a Venn diagram, this time with 3 sets instead of 2. Here again, in my whole universe, I have 80 people, so when I'm finished, I should have 80 people somewhere in this diagram. We need a set for gamblers, for diners, and a third one for people who go to movies. As before, it's a good idea to start in the middle if you can. Here in the middle, I have people that are in all 3 circles, so who want to gamble and eat and go to a movie. And I can see right here I have 2 people in that category, so there they are. Now we're going to bump out a level. I'm just going to go backwards through here. I have 4 people who go for dining and movies. Well, if they're going for dining and movies both, then they need to be inside the dining circle and inside the movie circle. So that's this sort of football-shaped area, the intersection of the diners and the moviegoers. In that football-shaped area there, I need to have 4 people. I already have 2 people, so I don't need 4 more. I need 4 total, so I just need 2 more. And now in the intersection of dining and movies, there's 4 people altogether. Let's back up again. I have 3 people who go for gambling and movies, so that'll be this kind of football-shaped area here, the gamblers and the moviegoers. And again, there's already 2 people in that area. I just need 1 more to make 3 total who go for gambling and movies. Similar for the next one, 15 for gambling and dining. So that's another kind of football-shaped area right here. And it also already has 2 people in it. I need 15 total, and there's already 2. So if I have 13 more, then I have 15 total that want to do gambling and dining both. Now we're going to back up 1 more level, and I'm going to just keep reading through here backwards. 11 people go to casinos to go to the movies. I do that. I mean, I guess I eat too sometimes if I'm there anyway and the movie's over, but I've gone just to go to movies. Anyway, 11 people going to the movies. So going to the movies is people who are inside the movie circle. Everybody inside here. Well, there's already some people in there. There's this one, and these 2, and these 2. So there's already 5 people in there. I need 11 people total going to the movies, which means I need 6 more. So now when I add up all the people inside the movie circle, I have 11 total. 23 for dining. That means in the dining circle here, I need to have 23 people all together. Well, I already have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I just need the rest to make 23. If I want to do it formally, I can say I need 23 people all together, and I already have 17 in there, which means I just need 6 more. And now if we add up all those numbers, I get 23 people in the dining circle. Same thing for the last one, for the gamblers. All together in the gambling circle, I should have 42 people. So far inside the gambling circle, I have 13, 14, 15, 16. So if I find the difference, 42 that we need to be in there all together, minus the 16 that are already there, I get 26. So if I put 26 people out here in this area, then I have 42 altogether in circle G. There is 1 more spot that we have to fill, and that's outside here. Those will be the people who go to casinos for some other reason. To go to a show, maybe, I guess. I don't know. I always eat when I go to a show, but that's just me. But anyway, our universe, remember, had 80 people in it. So far, if I add up all the numbers that are in there already, 26 plus 13 plus 6, and on, I get 56. There's 56 people in my universe so far, but I know my universe should have 80 people in it. So if I find the difference there, that's 24, so I got 24 people out here. Now that we have everything filled in, we can actually look at answering the questions. So let's see, how many people go only for dining? So I want people who are inside the dining circle, but outside all the rest, and that'll be these 6 right here. This is like the most critical thing. I have to have a different color. These 6 right here. Whoops, there. Those 6 right there, going only for dining. How many go for gambling but not movies? So we want people who are inside the gambling circle but outside the movie circle. 26 here and 13 next to them are inside the gambling circle but outside the movie circle. So that's 39 of those. And finally, how many go for none of these things? Oh, we did that already. That's the 24 on the outside.